You're welcome to Design and Earn with Porchido Go. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please kindly subscribe, like, give me a thumbs up on this video, comment and share with your friends. Okay, it means a lot to me. So in this video, I want to share and show you how I was able to do what? Edit old photos. Yes, edit old photos and turn it to a what? Clean and sharp looking pictures. So the app we are using here is what? Gimini. Yes, if you don't have the app, you can go to Google, your Chrome browser, and type what? Gemini.google.com. So that's the software we use to enhance our image. So if you have your old photo, just quickly go to your Google Chrome and then create an account on Gemini.google.com. Go to your Chrome browser and create account Gemini.google.com. So once you create your account, upload your photo, that's your old photo that you want to make it look sharp, and then enter this prompt. So this is the prompt that we entered here. As a professional photo editor with 5 years plus experience, turn this image into a professional photo shoot, adding all the necessary efforts and repairs on this image to make it look sharp without altering anything in the image but enhancing it as a pro. Don't alter the facial expression face, but maintain the exact face and edit it to bring out the color, complete face of the image and the entire background and the costume of the person of the image. Please don't make mistake. So this is the prompt that I entered and I was able to get this clean and sharp image of this person. You see it? So you can turn your old photo into what? A clean sharp image, okay? A clean sharp looking image, okay? So if you have an old photo that you want to edit, just take it to this Gemini and you now edit it and it will be so good, okay? It will be clean and sharp, okay? So if you want to learn how I do all these things, if you want to learn more about how to create realistic AI images of yourself, I can also teach you that. Okay, just indicate if you want to learn it under the comment section and I'll also make a training on that. Okay, so I also dropped the prompt in case you need the prompt. I will give you the prompt. Just message me on WhatsApp. I'll drop my WhatsApp number on the comment section so you can message me and I'll share the prompt with you. Okay, thanks for watching this video and please like and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me, guys. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much and God bless you. With